Adding action button. Action button help other people using our presentation in navigating from one slide to another. We can also assign a particular task to do when the viewer of the presentation clicks on an action button. To add an action button, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Shapes command from the Illustrations group. Different categories of shapes appear. Step 3. Scroll down to go to the Action Buttons category. There are 12 different types of action buttons available. Step 4. Select the desired action button and draw on slide where you want to insert the action button. The Action Settings dialog box will appear. Step 5. Set the appropriate action from Action Settings dialog box which you want to perform on the click of the action button. Step 6. Click on the OK button. The selected action button will appear on the slide.